This is homework 6, question 2. So question 2, the fxy is equal to b, and x squared plus y squared is less and equal to 1, 0 otherwise. Subproblem A asks about find b, so that valid joint function, it is a valid joint function fxy xy. So by integral of this, integral of fxy xy dx dy is equal to 1, and as we know that x squared plus y squared is a circle, so it is like a circle, and the total value is in this, and this is gonna be pi, so b is equal to 1 over pi. And subproblem B, find e of x and e of x given y, e of x given y, e of y given x, e of y given x, and e of xy. So for e of x, the first one is equal to integration of x fx xy dx dy. And for the range of x, we can get that because this one, so for the range of x, x squared is less than 1 minus y squared, so x is either square root 1 minus, and this is for x, and y is the same, so this can be written as, because b is 1 over pi, so we write 1 over pi out of the bracket, and if x is in the range of minus 1 to 1 and x times the range of y, so y can be write as square root 1, the bottom case minus square root 1 minus x squared, the uppercase square root 1 minus x squared, dy and dx. So we can get that it is, this one is equal to 2 over pi of 1 to minus 1 and x square root 1 minus x squared. So we can see that this is an even function. So this part is equal to 0, so e of x is equal to 0. And similarly, e of x given y, because e of x is equal to 0, so this part is 0, and e of x given the big letter y is equal to 0. And we ask about the e of y. So e of y is the range of y is, as I get before, so it's minus square root 1 minus x squared, square root 1 minus x squared. So this is a x-axis, which is y, and y-axis is f of y given x. So in the range of these, the height is going to be 1 over 2 square root 1 minus x squared. And due to symmetric, the e of y is going to be 0. So similarly, the e of y given x equal to 0, and e of y given x, letter x is going to be 0. And e of xy is equal to the 1 over pi, which is b, and the integral of the range of x minus 1 to 1, the range of y minus square root 1 minus x squared to square root 1 minus x squared, xy dx dy dx. And this one, because we can see that the y for the integration, the integration of y gonna be 0 due to odd functions, so e of xy is equal to 0. And third question, C, prove or disprove x and y are uncorrelated. So E of xy is equal to 0, and E of x times E of y is equal to 0 times 0 equals to 0, so they are uncorrelated. So this is the question 2.